Hey, what's up YouTube? We're working on the sawmill sheds again today. If you're new here, look in the background there, that's my new sawmill. It's an OS 31 Frontier by Norwood. Has one track extension on it, and we're building a shelter for it here. So we got one wall here, we got the other wall to go on the other end. I'm Scott, and this is Bean Creek Woodworks. Welcome. Alright, so here's what we got going on. Take a look. Alright, this is our 2x4 stud wall here. I've got one side done. Well, there goes the air compressor. Thanks a lot. I still have the wall to do on the other end, and we still have the front to do. These are true dimension 2x4s, actual 2 inches by 4 inches. I saw them on my Frontier OS 31 right there. And today we're taking these slat boards. I don't call them slat boards. These are 3/4 of an inch thick by almost 4 inches, and we're gonna lay these. Hold on a minute. We'll be laying these sideways across here, and this is what we're gonna nail our board and batten to. So I got this first one cut, so let's get started. Alright, here's what we got going on, guys. Looks like we got them all up. 16 inches apart is what I put them. So from the bottom of this one to the bottom of that one is 16 inches. I have no idea what they're supposed to be. That's what I thought looked good, so that's where we're at. If you look up there in the corner, we still got one more piece to put up there, and then up above, I'm thinking I'm going to fill that in a little bit yet. It's quite a gap up there. And over here, look, I got the first piece cut and ready to put in. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, I have to get the ladder to do them other ones. Check this baby out though, my new toy. It's a Banks framing nailer. I just bought it from Harbor Freight. Thought I'd try it out on this new project. You know, that's the rule. New project, new tool. It's man law. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a few more of these up, and I'll come back and show you what we did today. So we'll see you in a bit. Ran out of nails. Nailed it. All right, guys, take a look. Here's what we got. 6 pieces up today, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. These are board for our board and batten siding here on the shed. If you don't know what board and batten siding is, this is a board, this is a batten. This batten lays here and covers the crack. Probably won't be this wide. I'll probably make them, you know, maybe half this. And that just goes on, and then you nail in between your crack, and that covers your crack. So that's how that works. But yeah, looking pretty darn good. I did keep these up off the ground a couple inches. This is not treated. This is what I sawed on my sawmill. Come around here. There's the sawmill. Here's what the inside looks like. Up there. Like I say, I think I'm gonna fill in a little bit up there, but maybe not. I don't know. What do you think? I think this is oak siding, so it'll probably span that gap okay, I would think. We're not building rocket ships here. We're just trying to keep the wind out. So yeah, that's what we got accomplished today. Look how close this mill is to the wall. I don't have my tape measure with me, but I'd say 15, 18 inches maybe. And on the other end, I think it's going to be about the same. So that's a Frontier OS 31 with 1 track extension on it. And this barn is the backstop here. That's 24 feet. So if you're planning on getting sawmill, keep that in mind. Step out here again. There it is, guys. I like it. That's going to be pretty. I think that's going to be really nice. We'll work on that front and that other wall down on the other end. And yeah, that's how it's looking anyways. All right, guys, I guess that's going to do it for this video. Appreciate you stopping by again. We're going to keep going. We got to get this done because we got to start on that garden project I got coming up here. We're into the 1st of May now, so it's go time. So hoping this beautiful Michigan weather holds out for a little bit so we can get some stuff done. I guess that's about it for this guy. All I could think of anyways. As usual, I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks.